if you want to copy what I'm doing, make sure you sign up with the form you find below the video, and you can get started from tomorrow. Okay, so we are trading every Monday till Friday, just like what I'm going to do now. So I'll now get started, find some pairs you can trade, and we will be trading for 1 hour here at IQ Sets. So let's see what we can find. Let's remove some of the pairs that you're not interested in. We just trade pairs more than 70%. So now let's see. We pick up all the pairs that are interesting. Okay. Let's see. We're starting to get a few pairs here now. Okay, we got some. Now let's see if we can find some good areas we can trade. We see one right away here, in the bottom here, in the top. You know what? We are closer to the top, so mark there first. There and in between there. Let's make that a $100 trade. Let me go back here. Now let's see. That is our interest area right now. Do you know what? I think this was a little high. This might be the area we go in. Let's see. So now we just need to be some patient. See if we can get a trade up there. So once again, you find link below the video if you want to trade together with us. Still waiting. Was very close, this one there, but you only take a trade if you come in between these two lines. Let's see, you might get there now. Almost. Let's zoom in so you see things a little better. Take a trade there, we are in, we can bring it up, let's see how that will play out. We got it right above this line. Right now we are quite deep in the money, so that will be the first trade of the day. That means we are making ourselves $78 from this trade. Now let's see. 2 seconds left, we won that one. 78. Sweet. Got a good start. Now we will continue taking trades up there, if we get up there again, that is. Let's see, getting close. Looks like we are starting to get some sideways action here now, so you might get a lot of trades up there now. That will be super nice this Monday morning. Let's see. Why we don't trade down here? Basically, you need to choose where you think the strongest area is, and for me the strongest is here, is too close. If I were going to trade a zone, I would maybe trade here and there if I start to see that he's up here, because this one we can see was a strong one, so I could probably trade this one and this one, but for now we'll wait and see. If you can get one test on here that looks more like these two bars here, then probably we can trade down here also, but let's see. For now we wait. Let's see. No. We are still just waiting. We will take trades up here, and I can mark it. We are ready for it. We will be interested for something in line of in between here and there. We will not take a trade on the first one down here, but the second will take a trade here also. So this might be a trading zone. We will trade. Let's see. For now, we are trading just up here. Yes or no? No. You're in. And we got entry here. More or less like last time. Let's see how that play out. Now we just need to stay patient in the market again. You can see here that we're in the money for more 15 seconds. Let's see. Looks like he's going to take that down also. We are deep in the money. And we got it. So that's another sweet $78. Our profit now is 156. You can also see that you're collecting some cash back up here. I was not supposed to take a trade here yet. I did it without thinking. But yeah, let's hope now that this will be the zone. Now we need to wait. I was going to wait for one test before I did take the first, but let's see now. Now let's wait more 25 seconds and you can see how this will play out. But yeah, looks like the initial. No, that's why we should wait. See what happened. But we got it, or not. Almost got it. Let's take minus 100. That was my mistake. We still $56 profit. We move away from this pair now. Yeah, let's move on. wait a little. Let me see. No, we move on. Here I don't see nothing. Let's take the next. This area here is quite decent. Let's mark it. Enter between there and there. In the top, let me see. I don't think I tried it up. So now let's just wait and see how this will play out. Okay, he's coming down now maybe. This was close, but not close enough. We need him to go all the way down to this area. Well, let's see, we might get there now. Let's see. No, I think we move on. This area up here looks nice. Let's mark it. Let's take a look. Entry between here and probably there. We do maybe have a train going upwards. Let's take a look while we're waiting. Something like this. I still see I was able to take one trade up there now. Let's see. Okay, I was a little too fast on the trigger there now. He did go a little higher than I wanted. Now let's see if we can win this one now. If we win, we'll move on by the way, so I can just have to look at the pairs. It'd be nice if you could win it. Here I see nothing. Looks like we're winning. The last second we lost it. That is something that we quite often see sadly. It's okay. Let's see. Down here, I like it. Let's mark it. We have an area in between there and here. Let's see. If we can get down there again, that is. Let's remove these sad numbers here. Now let's see. The clock is only 8 in the morning now, so we are on early. Now let's see. Now let's move on. If you don't get a trade on this one now, let's see. quite like the one on the top also, between there and up there. Yeah, let's take this trading zone here. Let's see, get some more action. Now let's see. What come first, up or down? Let's see. We do sometimes get a little waiting games, and you're in. Okay, he did go a little lower. Let's see here now how this will play out. He's really pushing hard down there now. Still have 30 seconds left, so I don't feel comfortable as it will go all the way down there. If we can get a win now, we will turn profit at least. The last one, he lost the last second. Let's not hope that will be the case here. Same thing again. Minus 100. This is one of these days, looks like. It will change our bid to 200 now. So now, for now, we'll do some 200 bids. Okay, I like the area up there. Let's see. In between here and up here. Okay, we're in. I was a little late. I'll take one more there. And that means this was a crazy move here now. Let's see how this will play out. I'm not too comfortable with the moves we see here now. Last few trades we had lost in last second, and looks like that is a thing that occur. Would be nice if you can win in the last second for once. That's it. Okay, we got one win, one loss. So minus 200 plus 156. Okay, let's move on. This area down here is good. Let's see. Between there and there. If we can get down there again. So a little bumpy start, but we can still repair this. We've been trading now for 20 minutes, so we have quite a lot of time left. Let's see. Our target area is in between here. Now, let's move on. Okay, we go in there. We got an entry here. This looks nice. If we can get a bit here now, that would be nice. Now, we don't need to break up now, just because I'll go in. That have been what have been reoccurring quite a lot here now. How are we time, by the way? Okay, 20 seconds, let's see. Okay, go in deep in the mud now would be nice, for once. Yeah, we lost that one also. Then we move on. Nothing here. Okay, this area down here is actually quite good. I'll take it. What I'm looking here now is that we see that this bottom area here is actually very nice. So in between, more or less there. If you get down there again, I'll take one more, because it's a very nice area. Yeah, one more. Let's see. Now we just need to wait more 10 seconds. Lost the first, of course. But looks like we win the second, or do we? We won it, plus 156. Okay. In between there might be area. Let's see. Now we need to wait a little again. We need 3 trades, I think. 2-3 trades to turn profit. So now we're taking our entry in between these lines there. There, we're in. Got a nice entry in the bottom. Our entry is right there. Let's see. One more there. Now I think we move on. Don't want to be following this one. We can do like that. Now I think we see one up here also. Let's see. We won the first, sweet. Plus 144. Like entry there. They're in there. One more trade. Let's see. Oh, what's going on here now? We got it. 144. Now let's move on. Okay, they might get a trade up here now. And we got it. 144. Let's take the cash back. Then we are $62 in profit. Then we can change back to $100 trades. I always do that when I'm little in minus to go because I know my win rate, so I can fix it. In the bottom here now, we are changing a little. We are targeting in between there. Let's see, we might get there now. That was close. Not close is not good enough. Let's see. Okay. It's coming again. I don't think we have any trend we need to concentrate about here now, so it's a little sideways market. There's a little slow on the trigger, but I think my entry is a little above the line. It's not perfect, but we take one more there now. There we got a good one. Let's move on. Looks like he's moving a little strange. Up around here. We might have something. Let's spin up this trade so you can follow. Okay, both are in the money. Or both was at least in the money. One is in and out here now. And we got one of them. Let's take minus 100 plus 78. So we are currently $40 in profit. But profit is profit. We take it. Now let's move on. Here I see nothing. Okay, we might have an area down there that is interesting. I'm looking now in between like this. Let's see. So if you can get down, fill up this bar once again, I'll take it. Yeah, we are in. I think I got the entry around here. I believe that will be good enough. Let's see. When the timer turn there. Let's see if we take more trades. We are ready if you come down again, because now the time it turns will be a completely new trade. It's still respecting quite nice down there. And how is the trade going? We won it, sweet. then we are $118 in profit, starting to be better. Let's see. So we'll continue taking trades, at least down here. I don't see any special area up here I like that much. We see here also. Okay, we can do like that. Let's see. We can take a line there and between there maybe. Let's do that. Something between there. So we have a zone. Yeah, let's do that. Now let's see. We're now looking down here again. We might get something. Ooh, terrible entry. I'm conflicted if I should take one more in a little better location, because I think my entries are on up here. It's not good. It did restart now, so I think we can take one more if we go down now. There, one more bad. Okay, I think both is around here now. If you can win one now, that will be okay. I don't feel comfortable about any of this or this one. Both are bad entries. But if you can win one, at least you will not lose too much. If you lose one, I mean. And we got one. Cool, 78. Then put in that in the calculation. We are now $196 profit. Do you know what? We take a trade up there also. Now we are both ways. Okay, he go very high there now, but let's see. At least we're getting this one. We're very deep in the money. And we got that one, 78. That means we are now $274 profit. Now this one starts to be deep in the money also. Now we need to wait more 10-ish minutes, and we probably are winning that one also. Now start to be a little good here. The win rate we have started to get now currently is quite good. There, we got another win, plus 78. So now we are $352 profit. I will now mark the new area up here, something like this. Let's see. Now we are just need to wait. For a new trading opportunity. Okay. We might get one in the bottom this time. That was that pinned our line. Just pinned it. We need to go a little bit low for us to take an entry. Let's see. Okay, you're in there. I think my entry is around the blue line. Let's bring up the trade. We have a lot of time left. Need to wait more 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay. We are deep in the money currently. Need to be 10 more seconds in the trade. Very deep in the money. And we won that one also. Another $78. We are now currently at $430 profit. So here you can see how easy it is. That week was like almost 500 minus. Now we have turned it into almost $500 in profit. So you see how it can turn. Staying consistent with your trading plan, and this is what happened. Now we are having a very nice sideways market here now, so we are interested in both upper area and lower area here. Let's see, we might get one more in the bottom now. How are we in time, by the way? We still have some time left. So we are just trading in between here, so it's very easy to follow if you like to follow this type of trades. Like I said, you find link below the video if you like to follow my trades. Let's see. Okay, getting close to the top. He closed a little too high there, so I'm not going to take it. When he closed the bar up here, that is a sign that he might continue upwards. I think now we will come back to this one later, see what will happen. I don't like this one. I don't like here. Let's see what's going on. Do he continue upwards, or if this bar closed down here, we can start to trade again. Let's see. Looks like maybe he will do that. Okay. I need him to close lower than the highest one here. That's it. It's not about how far down he go. He need to close the bar below this area holding the most now. If you do that, we can continue trading here. Now let's see. Of course, if you come in here now, I will take a trade. Almost. Let's see. Okay, now we can trade up and down. Because they closed below this one here, that means we are still within it. Now let's see. So whatever he feels for now, I'll take it. Okay, I was a little slow on the trigger there. I could have taken a trade there. I did not do it. It was too fast for me. See, we might get a new chance up there. And almost we got the trade up there now. Again, almost. There, I mean, got a quite nice entry in the top. Got it more or less in between the two lines. Let's see, we can bring up the trade here now. If this timer go past 30 here now, I'll take one more trade up there. That was annoying. We lost that one. Minus 100. Now let's see. I'm in there. Now let's see how this will play out. We have a quite nice entry there. I don't like that he closes the bar up there. That's something we do not like, but the timer seems like we're going in our direction now. You can easily shoot up there, so let's see. I'll not count it yet, but it looks like for me that we're going to win it. Let's take this $10 also, that will help us a little. Plus 10, plus 78. We are back up in $418 profit. Sweet. Now this bar, I would like him to close below this area, like we did before, for me to trade again. That is a rule I have. When we have one bar that go very high, I need another. This is too high also. We need still to wait to close below. You can't take trades there now. And you know what? I think I'm seeing a little trend going upwards. It's not easy to see, but it's something like this. Okay, we have these ones, but we see he's respecting because all is close to the bone. So that is a little scary. I'll get myself some water, so just bear with me while I do so. While we need to wait here, by the way. Okay, a crazy bar here, crossing all the way up here. I think we now, I don't think I will consider this one, so let's wait and see. We can now remove this line here. We will not take a trade on this bar. Wherever this bar close in between the two lines is okay, but we will not take any trade on this one. We will take on the next. Okay, now we can take trades again, and we will continue the way we did. Oh, got a terrible entry there. And okay, he's moving all over the place. And all over the place, the wrong way. Let's see. We can still win it, but I'm not too confident, to be quite frankly. I don't think I'm going to trade more on this pair, so you can just move on. Let's just see if we win or not. It's moving too crazy. And looks like we're losing it. Yeah, we lost that one. Minus 100. So we are currently $318 profit. Here we see nothing. Okay. I don't have enough data here in our area I like. We see we have a trend going downwards here. So let's move on. Nothing there. Here we have trend both ways, one up, one down. So here comes the squeeze. He will move very fast there soon. No, I don't like this one either. Currently it's nothing I like. Okay, this button here can be good. If we can get an entry in between there, let's mark the trend also. See how we are in the trend. Something like this. I think we still have some space. At least for 2, 1 this and one more bar. Let's see how this will play out. I'll take it. This will be the last bar I take. Then after we need to see what will happen. Maybe this is the bar that breaks it. Let's see. To break a trend line, we basically need this bar to close outside and the next bar also to close outside. Then it's the only time I will consider that he have broken the trend, because sometimes he close outside and he come directly inside again. It's more like it's a fake out, but in 1 minute you can looks like it broke out, but you did not. Let's see. I think we move on. Squeeze will be too tight now. Now the question, do we like the top area here? I will zoom out and see if we have something more to the left that says that this is good. And it actually is not that bad, but it's in many times they go higher. So I don't think we're going to trade there. here also. I don't see nothing. Some crazy movements here, so I'm not going to trade that. This lower area here start to look good. Something in between here maybe. Okay, he closed a little low there, so then that means you can trade this one. Let's move on. And this one also. Let's take the next. We are coming into a squeeze here. I'll show you. We have one that looks like this. Another that looks like this. So we are getting a squeeze here now. Do we like the area up here? Do you know what? I think I do. There, I mean, and I'll take one more up there. And one more there. Let's see how that will play out. A few trades, I like it that much. And it's 2 different time zones there now, so let's see. If you could win this one, will be very comforting. Let's see. Looks like we might lose the first. And we lost the first. Let's just move on. But we won the 2 next, so then 278 plus 78 plus 78. We are now $374 profit. How are we in time? Do you know what? We are in the ending time here now. So that's it for today. We made some profit. Not crazy, but okay. Let's also take this cash back up here now, $10. Helps a little also. Plus 10. We are now $384. I think that is quite decent. So I'll trade again, same time tomorrow. So make sure you tune in then if you want to see some more profit and you want to trade again with me. So that, have an amazing day.